After a long day of work, the work actually does not end. I have one question. Are your press-ons lasting? Maybe they are, maybe they aren't, but your experience is just not so great. In this video, I can't stress enough that you literally have to plan your application accordingly. Here's the thing, you need to do everything to do nothing. As a busy woman, we are constantly doing so much with our hands, and I think my hands love the water in particular. My hands stay in water. Not only did I have to put the dishes away, I had to load the dishwasher as well. I have to wash my hands from sticky mess that I'm cleaning up after my kids. Just water, water, water. And if you're a busy woman like me, there's no reason for you to be eager to apply your sets right away. Trust me, you and your nails will have their time to shine. The number one reason why women won't even try press-ons is because they claim they don't stay on. Well, I wonder why. We're doing so much. So I'm here to tell you that it's not the nails, it's you. So keep watching so you can know my number one tip when being a successful press-on nail girl.
Her nails are so cute.
Who did her nails? Okay, ready? Set. Press. You know you love me. XOXO. That nail girl.
Hey girlfriend, it's your girl Lex.creates, aka That Nail Girl, and I'm back with another video. And I'm so excited to have you because today we are featuring Jofay Fashion press-on nails. They are so freaking cute. So let's just go ahead and start unboxing. In each box you get nail tabs, which are essential. These things look huge. Okay, interesting. And you get an informational card where it shows you on the back how to apply your nails. You get a nameless nail glue, a buffer cuticle stick, and these awesome lint-free nail wipes. And they're so dry, and I've never seen anybody have that in their box. So that is a bonus point for me. So we're just going to go ahead and test what these nails may look like on my nails. They are so cute. These are called the Purple Little Monsters, and they are just the cutest thing. I've never worn a design like this. I just love it. I love it. If anyone told you that it was easier to pick nail design press-on nails versus nail polish at the salon, they lied to you. They lie. It's just as hard. I have no idea which set I would like to wear, but once I unbox all these and test them out that way, then I'll choose. So here I just want to show you how easy it is to test nails without committing to nail tabs or nail glue. How do you know the nails look good on your fingers if you can't put them all on first? So I take a piece of putty, I just stick a little teeny piece on my thumb here, and I put the nail behind it. How freaking clever. I can literally try the design before using my nail glue or nail tabs. Now, of course, it looks a little silly with the nail putty you can see behind the nail, but essentially you could just put them on and then take them right back off. Now, taking off the putty is just as easy. Just take your cuticle stick and pop off the putty. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, speaking of lemon, we have some yellow nails we can try here. I know, I'm corny. But, alright, so with the putty, I put them on the back of the nail this time, and then all I have to do is pop these babies on. This design is really, really cute. These are called custard French. Now, I've never seen this type of design before, and that's why I recommended these nails. So this company's nails are actually acrylic plastic material where they are bendable, but they also contour fit your nail, where they're not easy to break, which I think is essential because you don't want your nail to be too hard or too sturdy, and when you go to do your day-to-day activities, they just pop off. They have a little flex so you can do day-to-day activities with them. Now these are they're so cute. I don't know about them because I've never had this design before. I think it goes into what I was saying before in previous videos, where the base needs to be the correct color for melanin skin. Though I think this design is awesome and the yellow is beautiful, but I think it's just too light for my skin. Now again, I'm just showing you how easy it is to test these nails before you choose what nail design you want to wear. You just pop them off and then you move on to the next nail set. Now these, oh my gosh, these nails are so beautiful. They're so pretty in person. They are a matte finish. These are called Pink Flame. They're just so beautiful. Now these are the nails that you are literally not going to be able to stop staring at. I mean, the design pattern, the French tip nail, which I'm a sucker for, is just to die for. I am such into pink nowadays. Oh my gosh, I was not into pink like this when I was younger. But look at this. Just giving. Bad girl, my birthday is coming up. Pink vibes. I love it. So another reason why I like using the putty too is because you can play around with the design. You can do mix and match, see how you basically want to put the nails on when it's time to use the glue or nail tabs. Perfect. I love how slim fit these nails are. They aren't too thick and they're just perfect. Now, another tip that I can give you as far as longevity for your nails is using nail primer. Normally you will buff the inside of the nail, but you can also use nail primer like I have mentioned in previous videos. But I also noticed something as I was doing this. I noticed that these nails already have like a rough layer to it. Like, I've never gotten any nails that do not have a shine to it where you have to buff the inside of the nail so it can have some texture and so that it could stick to your nails well. So kudos to Jofay for that. So now we're going to go ahead and get into the application process, and I will reveal which nails I have chosen. So first things first, you push your cuticles back, of course. As I'm prepping my nails, I just want to go ahead and share with you my number one tip, major key on longevity to your press-on nails, and so you can have an awesome press-on nail experience. My number one tip is to do your nails before you go to bed. It is so simple. I hope my little phrase earlier about do everything so you can do nothing made sense, because you need to do everything you need to do under the sun. Shower, wash your face, all that good stuff before you go to bed. Now is the time to apply your press-on nails. And why I say that is because, like I said earlier in the video, don't be too eager to put the nails on and like rush, not prep your nails properly, just moving too fast. You're just excited. Like I said, you and your nails are going to have your time to shine. Trust me about that. So make sure you are planning your application accordingly. Like, plan it out, schedule it like you would at a nail salon. Schedule your time to sit and put these nails on, and then you also have to take into account after you apply your nails. That's why I say before bed, because once you put your nails on and you go to bed, you have at least 6 to 8 hours of them just not being messed with, no mishaps, no accidentally get your nails wet, putting on lotion because you're so ashy you don't want to walk around with dry hands. I totally get it. Even when you are applying your nails and normally the nail box will say wait an hour or two before you start submerging your nails in water and oils and things like that. Though I believe that is true, but it also is a short period of time. If you're a busy woman like me who is constantly doing stuff, and I'm very rough with my hands, so a lot of the times, I'm not dainty with my hands. I'm doing a lot. I'm taking care of the kids. I'm typing for work. I am washing the dishes, as you saw. I am constantly on my phone. I'm always putting my hand in my purse, all those type of things. And you just have to make sure that As far as the application process is concerned, you wait to you do those things first and then you apply your nails. So before we get more in depth on my tip, I just want to talk about these nail prep pads. Like, they're amazing, and I did not put anything on them. I just wiped my fingernails off because I wanted to make sure they still had that rough texture. Someone commented on my page before about this, about why we clean our nails the way we do after we buff them, when you need that texture to make sure your press-on nail sticks on well. So that's what I did. I did not use any alcohol. That was me using a dry prep pad. So I love that they provide that. As you can see here, I am deciding to use nail tabs, and it's so weird because these nail tabs are really big. They're really wide, and they seemed a little bit big for my nail beds, and they had tabs for you to pull from on each end. So one down by my cuticle area and one at the free edge at the top of the nail. So I think that's a good idea. I love how Jofay Fashion is just, basically having different things than the norm, which helps. But it was also hard for me to get these the films off. I don't know why, but maybe because I put them all on first and I couldn't really grip it. But nonetheless, the nail tabs seem very sticky. They're actually jelly adhesive, so I think that's pretty cool. Let's get back into the tip, shall we? Now, after you apply your nails, hey, you could do all those things faithfully and resume your life as normal. Don't hold back. Literally do everything that it is you do and do it well with press-on nails. My tip here is the application part. I'm not saying that you can't do your dishes and things like that with press-on nails on. I'm just saying don't put your press-on nails on before you do all that and then say press-on nails aren't good. No, they are good. You just didn't wait long enough for your nails to adhere. I mean, any glue that you use for your house things or for your nails need time to dry, right? So it doesn't make sense for you to do your nails and then go wash the dishes 30 minutes later or 5-10 minutes later. No, you need to allow the nails to adhere properly, and then you go about your day. You go about your business. So to be a successful press-on nail girl, I always recommend to do your nails right before you go to bed. As I'm doing my nails, I literally am swooning. These daggone purple little monsters are the cutest freaking monsters on my nails ever. Like, they're so cute. So with that being said, I know that y'all are going to like these too. Even if you like the previous designs, I am going to have the shoppable links down in the description box for you. These are from Amazon, so anyone who has Prime, get your fast shipping, girl, because these are cute. Take note as I'm pressing my nails down here. I'm almost like smudging them down, like I'm rolling my knuckle on the nail to make sure that I'm pressing all of the nail on the adhesive tab, like making sure that all of it is covered, all of it is pressed, all of it is stuck on there, you name it. Okay, so all my nails are pressed and I am going to bed, child, because I'm tired. Good morning, my nail friends. How are you? It is the morning after, and now I'm showing you that basically these nails are intact. They ain't going nowhere, and I am resuming my life as normal. I am washing my hands. You know what I mean? When you get up in the morning, do your shower, use bathroom. Y'all ain't need to see all that, but I'm gonna show you how I'm washing my hands and such, and I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, and yeah, you can't tell your girl nothing because these little monsters are cute. Oh my gosh, look at how my freaking toothbrush is the same color as my nails. I love when stuff like that happens. It's so cute. Look at this. I'm just all purpled out. Just purple, purple, purple. Okay, divas, I am dressed and I'm ready to hit the dough. But before I do that, I need to put some lotion on these ashy hands. I went to bed and I was pretty ashy, but it's okay. My hands were pretty dry, so I put a good amount of lotion on my hands. I absolutely love this part. Like, I think all the parts are my favorite, but waking up the next day and just looking at my hands and putting lotion on is just my favorite part. And it's going to be yours too. I got a comment on my Instagram maybe about a week ago that one of my music artist friends went to the Grammys and she said that like 3 nails fell off while she was there, and I just felt so sad for her. But I also said that, you know, you just stay calm in those moments. You either just put them back on or just take all the rest of them off so you don't have to stress out for the rest of the night. So I will be sending her this video personally. Like, girl, make sure you do your nails at night, especially for a big event like that. Any event you have going on or any special occasion that you have, please do your nails the night before. So now I just literally put on cuticle oil for the day, and I feel like that's the best part too, because this cuticle oil that I have, I freaking love. It's almost like putting nail polish on, and it smells amazing. It's honeysuckle. I will put that down in the description box also. And you just gotta love on your nails, man, after you do them. I don't know who else does this, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. Now look at these. Look at these little baby monsters. They're so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope they serve you well. And I am on my way to work. It is like 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm like delirious because I actually went to bed at like almost 2 o'clock. And I'm like, how am I even functioning right now? And before I forget, don't leave the house without your extras, okay? Just in case, just in case. You can never be too careful, okay? So thank you again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. As we say in the Pressy Gang, peace, love, and press on.